Can you hear me now? The same problem? Are you sure? I think it's not. I don't think we have a problem. Question 6, can you see it? I think it's working fine now. Please confirm. Okay, excellent. Okay, we'll move to question. We answered question number 6. Image type used for logos, PNG. Now question 7, it maintains design for all web pages. It maintains design for all web pages. Your answers? Excellent. Yes, it's CSS. CSS maintains the design for all web pages. We'll move to question number 8. It's a high-level interpreted programming language, one of the 3 core technologies of the World Wide Web that enables interaction in web pages. It's supported by all the browsers and can be run on all the operating system. It's a client-side script. What do we call it? Question number 8. I want Taima. Yes. Ziad Muhammad. Firas. Duma. Saif. Mirani, Shireen, Yaman. Yes, excellent. It's JavaScript. Now answer the following questions. What is the full form of HTML? Easy. What is the full form of HTML? All these questions we have revised already with grade 5. We'll go through it fast because more important is your other chapters. This is an easy one. What is the full form of HTML? Yes, Duma, I know, but because there is another Adam, we said we'll call you Duma. Yes, excellent, Tulin, Shaima, Duma. Hypertext markup language. I'm not asking about the file extension. I'm asking about the full form. So it's hypertext markup language. Hypertext markup language. Yes. Yaman, Nasir. Okay, next question. What is the file extension of HTML? Yes, it's .html. When they ask about file extension, it will be dot and then the file extension. Question number 3. Give an example of empty tag. Example of an empty tag. Okay, Duma. Now question 3. Give me an example of empty tag. Faster, guys. We have a lot. Question 3. Write the question number and the answer. I don't want to give a lot of time for this chapter. Still no answers for question 3. Give an example of an empty tag. IMG, BR, yes, IMG, Shaima, Firas, Faris, Yaman, Ismail. Yes. So the empty tags are examples img, br, and hr. Now, give an example of container tag. Question number 4. Give an example of container tag. Question number 4. Put the question number, container tag. Container tag, give me the opening with the open and the close tag together. We are saying it's a container tag. So when you answer, you have to say, for example, h1 and the closing for the h1. This is one example. You give me the other example. Container tag. I want another example for container tag. Faster, guys. Yes, Ziad Muhammad. H1, P. Excellent. Another example is P. What else? What else? The third one. Any other one? Muhammad star, no spamming. Okay, the last one is audio. Audio. The open and the close. This is what we call a container tag. It has an opening. It has an open and close tag. Question number 5. Give an example of inline element. Give an example of inline element. Inline element. Who will answer the inline element? Yes, Dumat. Any tag that it has an open and close, we call it container tag. It's fine. Now give me an inline element. Yes, Ziyad. And Shireen. And Taima. And Yaman. Nasser. Hannah. Excellent. Yes. So inline tag, we have as an examples the img and we have the a. Okay, you know what's an inline element, right? We'll move to a block level element. Give me an example of a block level element. Yes, Awab, Limas, Saif, Firas, all correct answers for the previous question. Now please answer question number 6. Give an example of a block level element. I see your answers. What's an inline element? Yaman. Okay. Inline element means when you type it in your code, it will be in the same line with the previous paragraph or image or anything. It will not start with a new line or a new paragraph. It's Opposite of the block level. The block level immediately allows you, it will start in a new line, like the paragraph tag, the h1 tag, you know. But the inline element, if you put image or you put a, yes, it will give you a separate image, it will give you a separate text, but it will be in the same line of whatever it's typed next to. Is it clear, Yaman? Gaming time. Yes, the live is there. You go to the channel and go to live, you will find it there for grade 5. Okay, I want to see your answers, please, for the block level. Yes, it's paragraph and h1. Correct. It's the paragraph tag and, as an examples, of course, and the h1. Following? Excellent. We'll move to next. What is the full form of CSS? Excellent. I can read your answers. Cascading style sheet, Jury. And Mirghani. Yes. Cascading style sheet. Excellent. Next question. What is the file extension of CSS? Yes, it's .css. Okay, what's your name? The one who's asking about the grade 5. Where are you? Gaming time. Please, you can contact me on email, or even send a message if you have my WhatsApp. I'll forward the link. Okay, .css. We'll move to question number 9. What helps to change the way our HTML page looks? Easy. Yes, excellent. CSS. Of course. Which CSS property specifies the type of font to be used on an element? For an element, sorry. Question number 10. Which CSS specifies the type of font to be used on an element? What do we call it? Guys, please move to question 10. Give me the answer for question 10. Give me the answer for question 10. Answer for question 10. Okay, gaming time, it's fine. Okay, correct answer, font family. Excellent. Sorry, I can't read you all your names now. We'll move to the next question. Font family. Excellent. Question 11. Which CSS property is used for altering the size of the text? Font size. Excellent. Correct answer. Font size. Yes. Next question. Which CSS property is used to change the color of the text? Color of the text. Yes, color. Excellent. Question number 13. List the types of CSS. What are the types of CSS? Question 13. Types of CSS. Yes, Tulin, I saw. Excellent. All of you. Now answer the next question. Yes, Taima. Inline, external, internal. Yes. Duma, Tulin, Yamen. Shaima. Okay, please focus on answering. Inline, internal, and external CSS, right? These are the three types of CSS. What is the full form of JS? Question 14. What's the full form of JS? Question 14. Excellent. JavaScript. Yamen and TikTok and Ziyad, Taima, Faris, Shireen, Juri, Ismail, Duma. Excellent. So it's JavaScript. What is the file extension of JavaScript? Of course, all of you know. It's .js. Now, what is the purpose of JavaScript? Can you tell me? Who can answer what's the purpose of JavaScript? What is the purpose of JavaScript? Guys, we move to the next question. We are in question 16. You are still answering 15. 15, I didn't ask it. It's an easy one. Move to question 16. Okay. I can see now answers. To make web and games. That's Muhammad. To make games and apps. Zoro. Build games and apps. To make website. To make website what? It is used to build apps and games. All of you know about the games and apps. Don't you know it makes website responsive to user? To make website responsive to user, and also to organize and present data. Yes, of course, it's to build apps and games, but that's not the only one. You have three purposes. You have three purposes of JavaScript at least. Okay? Excellent. We'll move to the next question. Next question. We'll move to the second chapter finally. Static website. It has to be fast. Question 1. A type of link that is linked within the same page. Easy, easy. Easy, easy. Excellent. Internal link. Safe. TikTok. Nasser, what is TD now? We didn't ask about TD. Which question you are answering? Okay. A type that is linked in the same page. Internal link, of course. A type of link that is linked to an external website. Question 2. 2. Okay, Sajid. Okay, Sajid. Sorry, Sajid. Okay. Excellent. All of your answers. Tulin, Yasin, Sajid, Limas, Nasser. Okay, no problem. Now question 2, Faris. Excellent. It's external link. Yaman. Excellent. Shireen, Taima, Tulin. Amazing. External link. I want to see your answers in the chapter model 5 and 7. I know these are easy. Let's see how you will do in those ones. Question 3. A type of link that is hyperlinked to other web pages of the same website. Question 3. Who will answer? Write the question number. I want to know if you're answering correct or no. I want the answer for question number 3 now. Write the question number, please. Yes, it's relative link. Excellent. Please, question number. Maybe you wrote this answer for a different question. I don't know. Question number 4. A type of list in which each item in the list is marked with a bullet point. Okay, these are types of listings. Excellent. Yusuf. Faris. Okay, question 4. Limas, great. Doesn't matter. Sajid. You said Shaima is Sajid, right? Doesn't matter. Let them answer whatever they want. You just answer my questions, Sajid, please. Excellent. Taima, unordered list. Focus on answering instead of talking. UL. Yes, excellent. Yes. Sajid, I don't want to block you, huh? Please. Next question. Numbering list in HTML. What is numbering list? What do we call it? Yes, Sarah. Yes, Taima. Where is Yamin, Duma, and Nasser, and Tulin? And Yusuf, and Ismail, and Muhammad? Where are you guys? Where are the answers? Jury? Yes. Okay, excellent. Ordered list. Question number 6. HTML element often used as a container for other HTML elements. Answer. Answer now. Answer Duma. Yalla. Sarah. Yes. Shireen. Yes. Firas. Yes. Jury. Type correctly. Saif. Hannah. Nasser. The opening and the closing. Tulin. Duma, you're writing that you're writing the answer. I can't see your answer. Type your answer, Duma. Okay, it's div. With the closing div, please. Next, on question number 7. HTML element used to embed another document within the current HTML. Yes, excellent answers. It's inline frame. I-frame. Okay. Question number 8. Tag that defines a set of navigation links. Easy. From the name. All the coming ones are easy. Fast answers. I want to see. It's okay to lean. Duma, stop it, please. Yes, correct answer. It's nav. Tag that defines a table. Easy, fast, please. Table. Show me the tag for the table. Okay, I'll skip these because they are easy and what you're writing in the chat I'm not happy with. You're playing. Answer all of them in one line. Write for me the tag of the table row, table header, table data. The 3 questions. Muhammad Qaysamoon, please write your answer properly and in one tag only. Seriously, whatever revision I do, grade 6 is always a trouble. You're not focusing. Okay. So, table row is tr. Table header is th. Table data is td. Now question 13. It's used to merge 2 or more columns. We're in question 13 now. Question 13. Excellent. Sarah Muhammad, Taima. Tulin, check the spelling. Yaman. Duma. Yes, Tulin. Okay, cold span. Excellent. Next, used to merge two rows. What we call it? Excellent, Duma. Row span. Yaman. Nasser. Row span. Question 15. Tag is used to embed a sound in HTML document. Tag is used to embed a sound in HTML document. Show me your answers. Yes, excellent. It's audio tag. Sound is an audio. Tag is used to embed a video in HTML document. Yes, the answer is video. Embed a video, the tag is video. Excellent. I will do one thing after we finish this chapter. We'll move to the last chapter, not the next. Question 17. Tag the specific self-contained content like illustration, diagrams, photos, code listing, etc. Excellent, Faris. Yes, it's figure. Question number 18. HTML element is used to add a caption for the figure element. How we add a caption for the figure element? I want to see who will answer this first. Fast, 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 type your answers. Question 18. I want the tag. Shaima or Sajid. I want the tag. Fig caption. Adam. Excellent. Fig caption. Now question 19. CSS property that adds shadow effect around an element frame. Shadow effect. What we call this element? What is that element? Question 19. Excellent. I can see the answer. Faris. Shireen. Taima. Yaman. Ziyad. Duma. Zoro. Zaina. Excellent. So it's box, shadow. Next one, CSS property that adds shadow effect to text. Easy. If we know this is a box shadow, then this will be text shadow. We'll move to the next question. Answer the following. List the types of external links in HTML. List them. External links in HTML. Grade 5 can answer this question. Where are you? اللي بيسألوا كم سؤال, I'll try to do all the notes. So please focus. It's a revision. It's a final exams. You have to put little efforts. Little more than usual, I mean. Yes, Yaman. Relative link, target attribute, and what's the third one? Absolute. Yes. So the three types of external links are absolute link, relative link, and target attribute. Question number 2. Which CSS selector selects a specific element? Which CSS selector selects a specific element? Show me your answers. Yes, Jury. Duma. Yaman. Awab. Yes. It's the ID attribute. Give an example of CSS syntax of ID selector. Answer next question. Put the question number and write the answer directly. You can see all the questions. Put the question number and write your answers. You can see all the questions. Yes, Yaman. It's the hash sign and topic. Next question number 4. Write the answer, please. Give an example of CSS syntax of class selector. Question number 4. Yes, Yaman. Duma. Excellent. Dot container. Number 5. True or false? A class name can be used by multiple HTML elements, while an ID name must only be used by one HTML element within the page. Number 5. Piaman, Duma. Who else wrote number 5? Answer. Faris. Who else? Shireen, which is Sajid, wala Shayma is Sajid, I don't know really. Hana Zaki. Okay, whoever is asking when the stream will end, it will take time. Whoever wants to leave, feel free to leave. If you feel it's enough for you, then it's enough for you. We'll go directly to the last module and then we'll go back to the previous one. Visual coding. We'll work backwards now. Question number 1. Identify the following in visual coding. Visual coding. Background of a project. What is the background of the project? What do we call it? Excellent. Stage. Stage. Amazing. X and Y coordinates for the center of the stage. What are the X and Y coordinates for the center of the stage? Duma, Yamin, Faris, Shireen, Zaina, TikTok, Hannah. Yes, correct. It's 0, 0. These are the XY coordinators of the center of the stage. They either user created, uploaded, or found in the sprites library are the objects that perform actions in a project. What do we call them? Yes, Faris, Duma, Yaman, Shireen, Zaina. Excellent. So the answer is sprites. Question number 4. Puzzle pieces that are used to create scripts. What we call them? Puzzle pieces that are used to create scripts. I want to see the answers. Write the question number and the answer. If you are fast, just write it. Don't wait. Just read the question, write the question number with the answer. It's fine with me. But don't write the answer more than once. Yes, Shireen, it's a block. Excellent. Question number 5. Scratch creations come to life here. Write the question number correctly. Duma, check the question number. Scratch creations come to life here. Question number 5. Yaman said 5 stage. Faris said 5 stage. These are the correct answers. Shireen 5 stage. So this is a stage, the correct answer. Whoever wrote block, it's wrong. Block is in number 4, puzzle pieces that are used to create scripts. Question number 6. This block informs all the other sprites that something has been completed. What we call this kind of blocks? Question number 6. Jury wrong. Jury wrong. Who else? Question number 6. Yaman. Jury now okay. Faris okay. Shireen okay. Hannah. Yes. It's a broadcast block, but check your spellings, please. Broadcast block. Question number 7. This block is an event block which sends a broadcast throughout the whole Scratch program. What we call it? What do we call it? Number 7. Excellent. It's also called broadcast block. Question number 9. What is this called? What is this called? Number 9. Yes, excellent. It's a sprite. Question 10. Question 10. What is this called? Question 10. What is this called? Please check your answers. Question number 10. The correct answer is script. This is called script, not a block. Question number 11. What is this called? What's the answer for question number 11? Yes, it's stage. Stage. What is this called? Question number 12. 12. What is this called? What is this? Yes, it's a block. Excellent. Now we'll move to answer the following. What is also known as a data flow or diagrammatic programming? What is also known as data flow or diagrammatic programming? Show me your answers. Guys, girls, I'm waiting to see any answer. Okay, excellent. It's called Visual Programming Language, VPL, Visual Programming Language. Question 2. How can you move a sprite in 45 degrees? Turn 45 degrees right or left? Yes. By using the following blocks, we can move a sprite in 45 degrees right or left. Question number 3. What is the name of the block which receives a broadcast? What is the name of the block which receives a broadcast? What is the name of the block which receives a broadcast? Excellent. When I receive message 1. How can you move the sprite to 200 points left? How you can move the sprite to 200 moves left? 200 points left. Yes, move minus 200. Excellent. Left, we use the minus sign. Glide block is under which palette? Glide block is under which palette? Yes, Yaman, Shireen, Taima. Excellent. It's motion palette. Excellent. Now we'll move to module 5, conditions and loops. Who is this, Shaima Yahya? Should I block you? Please just write answers, all of you. Tulin, don't worry, I didn't do the third and the fourth lesson. After the second, I started from last. So just stay with us, okay? Again, Shaima or Sajid. I don't want to block anyone. I'm trying, but you are forcing me. Focus. Conditional and loops. Answer the following. List the types of arithmetic operations. What are the types of arithmetic operations? Yes, I can see a lot of answers. Yes, Sajid, only right answers, please. Okay, so we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, decrement, modulus. Excellent. So we have like 7 arithmetic operations. It's easy to remember. They are same the mathematic operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, increment, decrement, and modulus. Okay? We'll go to the next question. List the types of comparison operation. When we have a comparison, similarly in math, when you compare numbers, what kind of operations or signs you use? Okay, answer question number 2 now. Please, I want to see answers for question number 2. Types of comparison operations. Operators. Shireen, equal, not equal, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Yes, excellent. Perfect. We'll move to the next question. List the types of logical operators. List the types of logical operator. Logical operators. Question number 3. Answer question 3. Yes, they are logical and logical or logical not. Excellent. Question number 4. List the types of conditional statements. Conditional statements. List the types of conditional statements. Conditional statements means what? Means we use the if. How many different if statements we have? Okay, I'm here. I'm waiting, seeing your answer. Yes. The if statements are if statement or the conditional statements, if statement, if else statement, nested if statement, else if statement. طبعا هدول كلهم سواء هذا السؤال أو question 3 أو question 2 أو question 1, these are what you use in typing your codes to put a condition for the command. Like for example, you did in your project that for this price, if the person puts this price or if the user enters this price, it will say this message. If he enters a different price, it will say different message. So these kind of different messages, it's kind of different operations. هي عمليات مختلفة بتتم. فكيف الويب سايت أو كيف الصفحة بدها تفهم هاي العمليات وترياكت تو ات، ترد عليها من خلال الكود اللي مكتوب على حسب اللوجيكس اللي مكتوبة فيه. We'll move to question number 5. List the types of loops. Types of loops. Yes, we have the while loop, for loop, and recursion. While loop, for loop, and recursion. Number 6. Question number 6. List types of loop control statement. Types of loop control statement. شو يعني؟ What will happen to the statement? One of two. which are, they are either, show me your answers before I say it. Yes, they are either break statement or continue statement. They are either break statement or continue statement. Question 7. Identify the following. It's a piece of code which allows you to repeat a block of code more than once without writing it more than once. Yes, it's loop. Number 2. It's a way of programming or coding a problem in which a function calls itself one or more times in its body. Seven A is loop. 7B. Faris, Ghada, Duma, Juri, Zoro, Shireen, Jana, Tulin. Yaman, where is the answer for B? Zaina, Juri. Yes, it's a way of programming or coding a problem in which a function calls itself one or more times in its body. It's recursion. C. It can only be used inside a loop in situation where we have to terminate the loop without executing all the statements. What we call it? C. Faris, Yaman. Who's answering C also? Ghada. Yes, it's break statement. Recursion means kind of a repetition. Okay, we'll go to D now. It returns the control to the beginning of while loop. What we call it? Yes, continue statement. Now we have the true and false. Yes, Ali. Okay, now we'll start answering the true and false. If A equals 50 and B equals 30, then A is greater than or equal B. Is true or false? Yes, true. Yes. Number 2. If A equals 100 and B equals 40, then A is A is smaller than or equal B. True or false? Number 2, please question number and then true or false. False. Yes. C. If A equals 40 and B equals 40, then A equals B. But be careful, here there is a sign which means logical not equal. B. It's true or false? C. False. Yes, because of the sign not. If A equals 40 and B equals 40, then A equal B means true. E. If A equals 40 and B equals 40, then A equal B. Okay, E false. Now what's the difference? Why when we say A40 and B40, see here the number الرقم محطوط بين زي apostrophes صغار. أي شيء بين الapostrophes الصغار هاي يعتبر text. الكمبيوتر بيقرأه كتكست. فلما يقول هون two equals واحدة number, this is a number and this is a text, is a sign أو اللوجيك هون بيحكي عن two equals, it's okay. text to number طالما النمبر نفسه سواء اعتبرناه كنمبر أو اعتبرناه كتكست it reads true. لكن لما نحط ال 3 equal واحد number والتاني text معناته خطأ لأنه 3 equal لازم يكون either both numbers بنفس النمبر digits أو بالنمبر نفسه ال exact equal number زائد إذا text لازم يكون الاثنين text ما بينفع واحد number وواحد text عشان هيك تطلع false. أوكي؟ Okay, now we'll move to number F. If A equals 40 and B equals 20, then A is greater than B. Is true or false? Of course, it's true. G. If A equals 50 and B equals 30, then A is smaller than B. Of course, it's false. Now H. A equals 40, B equals 20, and C equals 60. Then A is greater than or equal B, and C is smaller than or equal B. Is true or false? So H is false. Yes. H is false. Now we'll move to I. If A equals 40, B equals 20, and C equals 60, then A is greater than or equal B, or C is smaller than or equal B. Is true or false? طالما عندنا or إذا أي واحدة فيهم صح, then the answer can be true. لأنه واحدة من اللوجيكس هون هذه صحيحة, هو بقول هاي or هاي. So this is okay, so it's true. Now J, if A equals 40, B equals 20, and C equals 60, then بعدين عندنا البراكتس وعندنا علامة النوت هون. A greater than or equal B, or C is smaller than or equal B. عشان عندنا النوت واحدة منهم صح, إذا بيكون هذا الكلام false. تمام؟ clear؟ Now we'll move to this. Give the output of the following. var num equals 100, num plus plus, var output equal num plus plus. شو بيطلع؟ السكريبت هذا شو بيعطينا الريزلت؟ Yes, it's 101. B. Var num equal 100, num minus minus, var output equals num minus minus. What is the outcome? Output? Yes, it's 99. C. Var divisor equals 25, divider equals 2, var remainder equals divisor percentage divider. Yes, it's 1. Now D. What's the outcome for this code? Read the code and tell me what's the outcome. Enter a number, then the logic says if num equals 0, document write 0 is neither a positive nor not a negative number. If num greater than 0, positive number, else document write negative number. What will be the output if user enters the number 90? What the outcome will be? Yes, positive number, because it says here if it's greater than 0 it will say positive number. C. Age equals 35 if age is greater than or equal 18 and age is smaller than 60, you are eligible to work, else you are not eligible to work. If the age is 35, then yes, the message will be excellent. You are eligible to work. Now F. Var I equals 1, I is smaller than or equal 3, I plus plus. Document write programming is an art. BR. What the outcome will be? Can you tell me why it's writing programming is an art 3 times in the outcome? Why this is the outcome? Do you know? What, Jana? Which questions you don't know? Put the question number, please.
Maths.
Yes, I'm back. We'll keep the questions to the end because it's already 9:45 and still you have 2 chapters. Okay? We'll do module 4, JavaScript syntax now. Identify the following. It's used to identify actions to be performed. In programming, it is a word that is reserved by a program because the word has a special meaning. Answer. Yes, excellent. The answer is JavaScript keyword. Number 2, these are containers for storing data values. Containers for storing data values. What we call them? Number 2, what we call them? The containers for storing data values. Yes, excellent. JavaScript variables. Question number 3. Any value which can change is called what? Any value which can change. What we call it? Put the question number, please. Put the question number. Yes, number 3 is JavaScript variable also. Question number 4. All JavaScript entities must be identified with unique names. What are these unique names called? Yes, show me your answers. Shireen, Duma, Yaman. Where are the others? Sleeping? Wake up. Show me your answers. Yes, they are JavaScript identifiers. JavaScript identifiers. We'll move to the next question, number 5. If a statement is a piece of code that computer can execute, it's a statement. Question number 5. Statement is a piece of code that a computer can execute. What do we call it? Answers. Yaman, where is your answer? Yes, Shireen, Jana, Faris. Where are the others? Where is Nasser? Where is Duma? Where is Sajid? Where is Ismail? Where is Tulin? Where are the juries? Yes, it's JavaScript statements. Number 6, a computer program is a list of instructions to be executed by a computer. In a programming language, what are these programming instructions are called? Yes, Duma. Okay, Yusuf. Now please answer question number 6. Yes, excellent. It's JavaScript statement also. Now question number 7. JavaScript statements can be grouped together inside curly brackets. The purpose of this is to define statements to be executed together. What is this called? I'm waiting for the answer of question number 7. Duma is saying comment. Shireen is saying JavaScript code blocks. Who else answered question number 7? Jana, Yusuf, Yaman. Write your full answer, Yaman. Okay. It's called JavaScript code blocks, not code blocks. Now answer the following, true or false. All variables are identifiers, but not all identifiers are variables. True or false? Yes, Hannah. Yes, ma'am. Yes, Hannah. Ask, please. Number 1. Yes, it's true. Excellent. Number 2. The identifier is only used to identify an entity uniquely in a program at the time of execution, whereas a variable is a name given to a memory location which is used to hold a value. True or false? Number 2. Yes, true. Number 3. Identifier and variable names are user-defined names. True or false? So number 3 is, please focus. I can see your chats. It's true. I can't see your answers, Yaman. Number 4. Two identifiers or two variables should not have same name in a program. 4. When you have a statement as true, now when you read in the exam, you have to read it carefully, because this is the true statement. What if the teacher changed one word? Like if this question number 4, we say two identifiers or two variables should not have same name in a program. If they remove the not and you don't read because you just memorize, you will think that all the statements are true and you will put true without realizing that there is a missing not. Please read carefully tomorrow in your exam. Number 5. This is used for single line comment and this is used for multi-line comment. Yes, the answer is true, but please be careful tomorrow. If this is 1 / not 2, you should know what to put. And if here any single dot is missing, or single sign from here, also it will not be true. Number 6. Semicolons separate statements in JavaScript statements. If they say does not separate or don't separate, then it won't be true anymore. Okay? So now it's true. Yes. Number 7. Semicolon is added at the end of each executable statement. Yes, true, because all you have done this in your codings. Number 8. What can happen if two identifiers or two variables have same name in a program? Now tell me, what will happen? And when we asked in true and false, we said that they should not have the same name. What if they have the same name? What will happen? See, some of you are writing 8 is true without reading or listening. Number 8 is not true or false. Number 8 is a question which needs an answer, needs an explanation. Now no answers, right? Shireen, Juri, Yaman. Okay. It will create a problem of ambiguity in program. 9. What are the rules of constructing a variable name? What are the rules of constructing a variable name? Question number 9. Yes, I read your answers, Yaman. Okay, Sajid. I will wait then. Please answer question number 9. Now write your answers for question number 9, please. What are the rules for constructing a variable name Yaman, you don't know? Names can contain letters, digits, underscores, and dollar signs. Names must begin with a letter. Name can also begin with a dollar sign and underscore. Names are case sensitive, are different variables. Okay, so we have, these are the rules of constructing a variable name. Name can contain letters, digits, underscores, and dollar signs. Name must begin with a letter. Names can also begin with dollar sign and underscore. Names are case sensitive. Lowercase y and uppercase y are different variables. Reserved words like JavaScript keywords cannot be used as names. Okay, now we have question 10. Give an example of an identifier. Give me an example of an identifier. Question number 10. Okay, the answer for question number 10, var underscore identifier name and then the semicolon. Yes. Now we have question 11. Which among the following statement will be executed? Yes, excellent. Var age 18, of course. So we have, this is the last chapter, different methods to include JavaScript code and message boxes. But then don't forget to revise chapter 5 notes. As per your teacher, they are very important. Okay? We'll start with question number 1 in this notes. List the different methods of including JavaScript. List different methods in including JavaScript. Show me your answers. I'm waiting. We want to finish. No more answers? Okay. Yes, we have the inline JavaScript and embedded JavaScript and the external JavaScript. Question number 2. Identify the type of JavaScript from the following statements. The code is written where it needs to be called. Which type of JavaScript is this? Yes, excellent answers. Sajid, Shireen, Jana, Yamin, Zaina. Now answer this one, please. 2A. The code is written where it needs to be called. We call it? Yes. We call it inline JavaScript. B. To be used only when small code is to be written. Which one? B. To be used only when small code is to be written. Which type of JavaScript? Yes, also inline JavaScript. Excellent. C. Rarely used, usually used for testing and learning JavaScript. Which type is that? No chatting, please answer. Okay, C is also inline JavaScript. Now D. JavaScript code is written between script tags in the same HTML file. What do we call it? D, what's the answer? What's the answer for C? I'm waiting for D, sorry. Yes, excellent. All of you. It's called embedded JavaScript. E, most common and often preferred way to code JavaScript. E. Yes, it's external JavaScript. Yes. F, the code is written in a separate file and linked using source attribute of the script tag. F, the last one, yes. It's also external JavaScript. Now we'll move to question 3. Identify the types of message boxes from the following statements. It's often used if you want to make sure information is passed on the user. What do we call this message box? If you want to make sure it reaches the user, yes, alert box. It's often used if you want the user to input a value, what we call it. If you want the user to input a value, yes, excellent, Yaman. Prompt box. Number 3, it's used when you want the user to verify or accept something. What we call it? C. Please put the question number 3C. Yes. Amazing. Confirm box. D. It displays a dialog box with a specific message along with an OK or cancel button. D. Yes, also it's confirm box. Excellent. E. It displays a dialog box with a specific message along with OK button. The last one. Where are the answers for question E? Yes. Alert box. Excellent. Number 4. Write syntax of the following message boxes. The alert box. Write for me the syntax for the alert box. Question 4A. Yes. Correct. Prompt box. What do we write for a prompt box? See, it's not about the message what you write. I need to know the, yes. Prompt box, we have to write prompt. Then we open the bracket and then we put the message in the quotes and everything. Okay, the last one, confirm box. Confirm box. Yes, it's confirmed. Then we open the brackets and then we write the full syntax. Now, identify the message boxes. This page says I'm an alert box. What is this? What box is this? Yes, it's alert box. What do you see in number 2? What is this box? Which have the OK and cancel. Number 2. Yes, prompt box. Excellent. Number 3. What do you see? Which kind of boxes is here? Which have OK and cancel, but there is no text to be entered. Yes, it's confirm box. By this we are done with the notes. we have only okay. Thanks. Now we have this fill in the blanks to answer. If num equal 1, 0, value of num is greater than 10 is fill in the blanks. Answer please. Stop chatting. It's already 10:30. You and me, we need to go, everyone to sleep. Answer please. Thanks. All of you. Please answer. Okay, Duma. Thank you for your answer. It's false. Number 2. Please, if you are not interested in answering, just leave the chat. We need to focus. Whoever is chatting here, leave the live if you don't want to answer. Number 2. Space statement is used in JavaScript for decision making. Number 2. Please focus. This question is asking about the type of statement used in JavaScript for decision making. What do we call this kind of statement or this type of statement? What do we call it? No, Duma. No, Dima. Tulin. No. Wrong answer. No. The correct answer is Conditional statement is used in JavaScript for decision making. Question number 2 is just a definition. Which type of statement is used in JavaScript for decision making? You need to know each type of statements in JavaScript, what it's used for. So the conditional statement is used for decision making. Number 3, when a function calls itself one or more times, it's called. We answered similar to this in the previous questions. Number 3, again, Zaina didn't understand. Question number 2, it says, which type of statement is used in JavaScript for decision making? Now you use JavaScript statements. You have different types of statements in JavaScript, and you have different outcomes or orders or operations that you want to have as a result or output. So it's asking the one which is used for decision making. What do we call it? It's conditional statement. Okay? Now question 3. When a function calls itself one or more time, it's called. This should be easy for you.
I have the power.
Yes. Recursion. Excellent. Now we'll see number 4. The keyword can stop the loop before it has looped through all the items. Which keyword? Easy. Yes, Ismail. Excellent. It's a break. Break keyword. The break keyword can stop the loop before it has looped through all the items. Number 5. The keyword can skip the remaining part of code and pass control to beginning of the loop. Also easy. Number 5. Please answer question number 5. Yes, Juma. Yes, Ismail. Jana. Okay. So the correct answer is the continue keyword can skip the remaining parts of code and pass through control. Please go through these notes, learn the codes properly. Okay? And good luck in your exam tomorrow. We are done. Wish you all the best. Send what? It's already your notes. You have them with the answers from your teacher. You're welcome, Duma. Good night. Yes, good night. Please go have rest. Good luck tomorrow. Yes, Duma. You're welcome. Yes, Duma, ask. Okay, Duma, I'll answer you. Now let's end this. Thank you and good night, everyone. Good luck.